This question is one of those few questions that can set mathematicians apart. So friends, in this video today, we shall be looking at this question in full detail, guys, in less than 2 minutes. So guys, in this case, to solve this problem, it looks so crazy since the base of our logarithm here has a square root function. So in this case, guys, the best thing for us to do is to start by changing from this log to what an index form. So by so doing, guys, we are going to let the base here, which is the square root of x, now come and raise 2 up. So we are going to have x squared minus 6 equal to the square root of 2, all that squared, because it comes, and what is on the right hand side now becomes the power of this square root of x. But friends, what is the square root of x squared? It is simply x. So we are going to have x squared minus 6 equal to x. Good. We are going to bring x inside. By so doing, we are going to have x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now friends, at this point in time, the equation now is quadratic, right? We have to look for two numbers whose product gives us negative 6 and whose sum gives us the coefficient of x, which is what? Negative 1. And guys, those two numbers are no numbers other than negative 3 and 2, because negative 3 times 2 gives us negative 6 and negative 3 plus 2 gives us negative 1. And since the coefficient of x squared here is 1, we are therefore going to have the factors being x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. At this point, guys, we have two numbers that are multiplying to give us 0. That therefore means that either one of those numbers is 0, right, or the other. That therefore implies we are going to have x minus 3 equal to 0, or we can therefore have x plus 2 equal to 0. Great. Guys, this is where the math starts. In this case, we have two solutions, right? We have two solutions, guys, where we put each of them to 0, but we are going to accept only one solution here. We are going to accept the positive solution since the square root of x here must be positive. So in this case, guys, we are going to have x equal to 3 as the only solution to this our equation. X equal to negative 2 is rejected since the square root function is not defined when x is negative.